Hello, my name is Dr. Nina Fuller-Chevelle, and I'm here to welcome you to a new ION 2-day course, Women's Health and the HPA and HPG Axes, Functional Assessment, Case Studies, and Integrated Working. My background is as a functional integrative medicine doctor, scientist, nutritional therapist, herbalist, and yoga and mindfulness teacher. And I would like to invite you to explore women's health in more depth with me, and particularly talking about the dysregulation within the HPA and HPG axes and how the complex interplay within these and outside of these systems can influence a number of different clinical patterns that we see in clinical practice, including brain fog, PMS, PMDD, PCOS, perimenopause, and many others. We're going to be talking about how to spot particularly relevant information in your client's story to help you understand them better, and how to assess different testing options, including salivary testing, urinary testing, blood tests, and nutrigenetics, and how relevant that might be to different clinical contexts. We will also review the current literature regarding possible nutrition, supplementation, lifestyle interventions in different contexts, including estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone specific patterns, and how to support menopause management. Finally, I will help you understand about what conventional treatments your client might be on, for example, different HRT options, and how to integrate with the wider clinical team safely and effectively, and what might be helpful to ask NHS clinicians to investigate. I hope you will join me this June. Thank you.